Hey, this is Marc B, and I'm a DJ producer, and I'm a young visionary. This is Industry Insights, making your own lane as a DJ. I want all DJs to realize their power, because we are important in every aspect of what we do, from the clubs to the concerts to the stage. Once we realize our importance and realize what we bring to the stage, we're able to capitalize on that 1,000% more. On this episode, I want to go over the important aspects of what being a DJ is. The first step into making your own lane as a DJ is respecting the craft. I think coming up when I was DJing, it was about learning why I really wanted to do it, being involved in music, knowing how I wanted to really go at it. It really wasn't any path to it. And I think that was the start. I was passionate about it. I was inspired by going to clubs and looking at other DJs DJ. I think it took research. It took me to see what actually these things mean, what the computer mean, how people scratch, how people do that. I think that just allowed me to be where I'm at today. I think just respecting the other people that was before me and respecting the people that was behind me. I'm just being interested in music. And I think that's just what you gotta do. That's the first step. Step 2 in making your own lane as a DJ is knowing yourself, is being yourself, is knowing the energy you wanna put out. Like every DJ has different aspects of them that allows them to be in different fields. If you too in search of another lane or another goal or seeing other people, that clouds your judgment. I think a lot of the times I could have played myself out the streets or played myself out of opportunities because I was moving too fast or because I would be in my own way. Knowing yourself is a key to just being the person you want to be and having everybody around you in a genuine space. Step 3 is knowing your value. A lot of times when we're building from the ground up, it takes us a little minute to learn what we input on the situation. But once we get to a certain point, we have to know, because I think that gets us money. That allows us to put some bread in our pocket to feed our family, to learn how to move the way we need to. That allows you, knowing your value, to build those genuine relationships that's forever. Step 4 is being patient and being persistent. Everything is a learning opportunity for you to grow, for you to build, and for you to expand. In times as a DJ, we're not always quick to get the bag. We're always not quick to get recognized. We're always not quick for somebody to see the opportunities that we're able to provide. We can't be stuck and give up after the first time somebody don't mess with us, after the first time an artist don't take us on tour, after the first time somebody don't look us like, oh, you're the greatest. Allowing yourself to elevate, allowing yourself to build is the biggest thing. We have to take time for our vision to expand and allow it to grow into what it needs to be. Being persistent with just knowing where you're at allows you to build and go where you need to go. All those things is important because they don't allow a DJ to be put in a box. It's all these things I could say that DJs should be good at, as far as knowing what to play, knowing how to scratch. But I feel like none of those things are that important, because everybody are their own self. Knowing who you know is different from somebody who just like to DJ at their house with their friends, and I feel like they shouldn't be compared. All those things that I said allows you to be yourself and to flourish and not be stressed by other opportunities that may arise with somebody else.